Welcome to Midlife Change. Today we're going to talk about how to change. Now this is a good topic because when the average person approaches midlife, they feel stuck. And the more stuck you feel, the bigger the change you have to do to break free. And ironically, in the initial stages of midlife, that gets you into more trouble. So here's the first truth. Big change causes big problems. So when you start your midlife awakening, one of the challenges is we're often not aware we're awakening, and we just get so stir crazy, we do something, and we tend to do big stuff. So the first midlife truth is, be aware when you feel that awakening to pause and slow down a little bit. And the real key is, yes, you can do big changes, but you need to prep for the big changes. So the first step is, ironically, exercise, get in a shave, clean up, live a little bit more modestly, remove attachments and obligations that don't serve you. That's all prep work. If you do the prep work, then later you can do a bigger change more efficiently and with less problems. So reevaluate your life first. Simplify, get into shape, remove obstructions or problems. But we often feel we have to use dynamite. We have to blow it all the way to get past the problem. That's because when we're in midlife awakening, we're impatient. So the first truth is learn patience. Patience is wisdom. So slow down into your midlife transformation. Make course corrections first that set you up for later to do the big changes. It's okay to go through this in a series of steps, not to blow your way through, but to first prep, remove the things which don't serve you, get a little optimized in your lifestyle, to change things up, to upgrade your life a little bit. And then as you do that, it gives you a chance to reevaluate what you really want to do. The other problem is people tend to want to change jobs too fast. If you change your job too fast, you tend to bring your problems with you to the next job. So before you blow up your job and leave to get to the better job, while you're getting to the better job, you reconfigure your current job so you don't bring your problems with you. And that's a big change in itself. So remember, when you're beginning to reconfigure your work, take time to improve your work first and then go to the new job, which then you take the improved job habits with you. And that makes a huge difference. So prep, clean up, modesty, exercise is a good first stage of midlife transformation. After you gain information, after you gain understanding the lay of the land, your options, then you do the big changes later, and then the big changes will be twice as efficient and will cause half the problems. And that's the way you approach midlife crisis. Small at first, polish at first, and then the big changes later. And that's a really efficient way to approach midlife transformation. Now, please subscribe to our video. We need the help. Go to personaltao.com for more materials, and have a great day ahead.